Hi guys, welcome to your library at home. It's me, Elda. Thanks for joining today. We're gonna do a really fun Father's Day craft. So grab some rocks and an old picture frame and some glue, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make something really fun for Father's Day. So I think it is probably just about 3 o'clock. So we can go ahead and get started. If you guys are watching, welcome to your library at home. It's me, Miss Elda, and today we're gonna make a really fun Dad's Rock Father's Day project. So, got a sample to show you. Hi, Maureen. So here's what you're gonna be making today. Cute picture frame for your dad that says you rock, because we all know how much dads rock. Here's another one. If you guys don't have a photo, you can make one that looks like this. Okay? So, what you guys are gonna need to do this project today is, and make sure you ask your mom or your dad, just don't tell them what you're doing, but ask your mom or your dad if you guys have an old picture frame that you can use. It would be really fun if you went on a walk with your dad and collected some rocks. So you're gonna need some rocks. If you don't have any rocks, you can always use maybe some fish tank rocks, little bitty rocks like this. Okay, so you need rocks, you need a picture frame, you need some glue. If you don't want to get your fingers all messy, you're gonna need a paintbrush for your glue, some markers, and a piece of paper to make a sign, okay? So the first thing that you guys are gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna take your, I'm gonna turn the camera down so you can see, okay, what I'm doing. There you go. I will actually show you one more time. So here's the You Rock picture frame, okay. Here's the one with the little fish tank rocks, and then this one doesn't have a picture in it in case you don't get a chance to make a picture. This one's just got a sign. So there's our two samples, and I'm going to show you how to do them. Okay, like I said, see if you guys have an old picture frame around the house. Something that's really flat like this will work the best. Okay, what you want to do is get some glue. This is actually the best glue to use. And you guys have to be really patient because it takes a long time for this to dry. And here's some plain old white glue, just Elmer's glue. Any kind of white school glue, you probably have some that was in your box of school supplies. This one's just gonna take longer to dry, okay? But if you don't wanna get your hands all super messy, pour it in a bowl. Otherwise, you can just go ahead and put your glue right on your frame. You need a lot of glue, okay? You want your rocks to kind of swim in the glue. We're just gonna spread this out a little bit. Do you see, guys, how much glue I'm using? I'm using a lot of glue, okay? I'm gonna cover my whole frame, but if you guys want, you could actually do kind of a decoration with your rocks. Super easy. Now we're just gonna start laying our rocks out. We're doing like a mosaic, okay? Which is little bitty pieces all together to create one big picture. So you're just gonna go through and add your rocks. I try not to get the same colors next to each other. It's kind of fun if you mix the colors and the sizes. And we are going to do this till we go all the way around our frame. So we'll do a couple more. Remember, you can't pick, once you do this, you have to let this sit like overnight, okay? Don't want to pick it up, because if you pick it up, you are going to get glue. It's going to drip everywhere and your rocks are going to fall off. So I'm just going to use lots and lots of glue on this all the way around. Just going to keep adding rocks to it. Look at how fun this rock is. It's flat on the end. Collecting rocks is a lot of fun, so I think going for a walk would be fun if you collected rocks with your dad and then used those rocks to make the picture and surprise him. You could be like, Dad, these are the rocks that we did I found on our walk. Okay, so you want to go all the way around your frame if this is the design that you want. go. And you just keep going. All right. When this glue dries, it'll be all clear and you won't see it, okay? That's probably going to take almost the whole bottle of glue. You really need to use lots and lots of glue. Okay. All the way around. I had one rock that I started on there. I did that one last night and look, it already dried. So it does dry pretty quick if you just let it sit. All right, we're going to go a little bit more. And you just keep adding. Oop, I don't want to put two of the same kind next to each other. Oh, I gotta look for a little bitty rock to squeeze in that spot. Oh, perfect. Look at that. That worked. Okay, I'm gonna tip my bottle upside down. All right, let's find a fun one to fit in there that's not round like that. Let's see if we can find kind of a chunky one. How's that one? I like the way that one sticks out. So you guys be really creative with how you put your rocks on, okay? Think about it. There we go. All right, let's get our glue out. You can see lots and lots of glue, okay? Spread it around. And you just want to let your rocks swim in the glue. Go. We're going to go all the way around and finish this so you guys can see how easy this is. Here we go. That round shape one right there. I need a little one for in here. Found a baby rock to put right in that spot. That'd be good. And one more right there. Another one of those that can stand up. We're just going to keep going all the way around. Until we're done. We're getting there. Almost done. And put that one there. There we go. I needed, nope, wrong color. There we go. Long one for right there. Okay, it's going to be tricky to fill in this little spot here now. Okay, nice half one for right there. And some little ones. See how easy that was, guys? Now our frame is all done and filled with rocks. Okay? So what you want to do next is you want to get yourself a piece of paper like this and color it with some markers and write "You Rock" on there, Dad. Make sure, I'm going to wipe up my glue. I always want to clean up your mess. Make sure you put your name and the date on this so that Dad will know who made it and what year, okay? So always put the name and the year on your artwork. Yes, Aria can do that because she loves to collect rocks. You're right. It says perfect for boys and girls who love rocks. Okay, so once you make your "You Rock" sign, you're gonna wanna ask Mom or Dad or a sister or somebody to take a picture with you holding your sign up. You can print it on your printer. Right at home if you want. Make sure it's the right size for your frame and go ahead and put it in your frame. If you don't have a way to print a picture, you can go ahead and open up the back of your frame. These rocks are still a little wet, so I'm going to be super careful right now. Okay, so you want to open up the back of your frame. Okay, and there's always a little piece of paper in here. So you can just repurpose that piece of paper and make yourself a sign. Something like "Dad, you rock." Make sure you sign your name to it. Put that back right in the frame, okay? And then you've got a piece of artwork for your dad. Sometimes one's easy to be tricky. And be careful if you're doing this by yourself because most frames do have glass in them, okay? All right, so there you go. Let's see if my rocks came off. Stay pretty good. So now you've got a piece of artwork. And if you guys do not have any picture frames, but you still want to try to do this project and surprise your dad, you can always find yourself a piece of cardboard, cut it down to the size that you want. Okay, I just took this off the side of a box. Just clean it up a little bit. And you can do the same thing. And this one's got glue because I have my brush on it, which is okay. And then you can cut yourself a piece of paper. And you can make a sign. So we're real quickly going to do a however you like. You can take more time than I am though, okay? Okay, and then you want to sign your name here. Put the date. Hi, Natalie. Go ahead and color this in. You can decorate this however you want. I'm doing it really fast right now, but take as much time as you want to color in your little Dad You Rock sign. Okay, I'm gonna do this all blue because in our house, our dad's favorite color is blue. Okay, I'm just gonna put some lines around the edges to make it look a little fancy. Okay. Hi, Andrea. Okay, so now you would just go ahead and glue this one right down on your cardboard. This is if you don't have a frame, okay? And you still want to try to do this all on your own. So you go ahead and glue that down right there. And then we'll just go ahead, same way as if this was a picture frame. And you're gonna want to go ahead and just glue all your rocks right on the cardboard. And hopefully you guys are gonna be a little bit neater than I am because I get super messy. Okay, and then you can create your own picture frame and you don't even need to have a picture frame. All right, we'll do a little bit of this one so you get the idea. Lots and lots of glue, remember, and be really patient when you're letting it dry. All right. You can even color the cardboard before you put the rocks down if you want to make it a little bit more decorative. Hi, Emma. All right. So you would just go all the way around like we did on our frame. Okay. So if you don't have a picture frame, you can go right ahead and just use a piece of cardboard and make your own frame right out of rocks, and then you've got a piece of art. So this would be if you didn't have a frame, okay? Here's what it would look like if you covered the frame and you're able to make a sign and take a picture. And then here's one if you have a frame, some rocks, but you can't get a photo. Just make a cute little piece of decoration inside there. Hi, Cindy, thank you. All right, so here's 3 options, okay, of what you can do for Dad for Father's Day, because we all know dads rock, right? So there you have it. Happy Father's Day, you rock picture frames. Super easy, okay? So let me know if you guys make some of these. Send in some pictures. I would love to see them. Maybe a picture of you and your dad if you give it to him. And I hope you guys have fun. I hope you like this craft. And if you guys are watching and you want to help your mom make a flip-flop wreath on Tuesday night, we're going to be making a really fun summer flip-flop wreath. So thanks for watching, you guys. Bye. Have a good day.